Hello everyone. Today I will demonstrate how can we use multiple version of PHP in the same machine. So I am using Windows here, but this approach may valid for Mac or Linux operating system as well. The fundamental should remain same. So for Windows PC, there is some packages, namely Xen Server, Laragon, and Laravel Hard. These packages combine PHP, MySQL, uh, sometimes Node.js, Composer, etc. are popular as a PHP and Laravel development environment. So with all of this, we get some benefit of using multiple version of PHP and Node.js. But thing is, sometimes the PHP version we get by default in this platform. For example, with Laravel, we get, I believe, currently PHP version 8.1. But what if we require to have like upper version or like lower version of PHP in the same machine? For this kind of scenarios, we actually need to install multiple version of PHP, and I already installed some other version uh, uh, in this current setup of Laravel. As you can see, I have PHP 7.2, 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, etc. So the way I install this actually quite simple. First, we have to download binaries from Windows PHP. Uh, if I can show you, first go to PHP download page from the official PHP programming language website, which is php.net/downloads.php, and in the like releases section, you can see the Windows downloads link over here. By clicking them, we'll heading towards windows.php.net website, and we have different kind of versions available over here. We have 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, or older version in the archive uh, address as well. So for example, if we need like 8.3, we select 8.3, and the version from our architecture of the operating system and its processor. So 86 or 32-bit, and we download the zip file accordingly. I recommend thread safe version of zip file. So let's say we download some older version, and for this we have to like click on this link, the archive link, and we will get a list of various PS versions starting from 5.2, includes all the available version. So currently I am interested in 7.3 version, and as my operating system is 64, I will download this file over here, or maybe 7.3 and its max base version, which should be 7.3.9 and 64 bit. So this version, and when I click this, I will have the zip version, being downloaded on my machine. I will wait, and after the download get finished, I'll copy this to my bin folder of Laragon or XAMPP or Hard. The process should be same. So I have installed the Laragon in my C drive. I will navigate to this drive and go over this directory bin and PHP, and I will just paste this 7.3 from uh, download directory to this directory over here, and after that I will simply just extract this folder, and this will have downloaded binary files with the similar folder name, something like this. And after that I will go to this menu option, and from PHP I will have the PHP 7.3 appeared over here, and I can just click over here on the 7.3 version, and Laragon will simply change the current PHP version to 7.3. So this is uh, like the main PHP version settlement. But if I need multiple version of PHP running from command line and run at the same time, in that case what I do is I make a alias folder over here, and I point my batch processing files, let's say P2, with the exe paths being mentioned, something like this. Let me open in Notepad to see it in detail. And I write these two lines. First is echo space off, and then the exe version of PHP. For example, when I write P2, this point the PHP 7.2 version of PHP 7.2 version, and if I try from my command line using P2 command, I get the whole PHP version 2 exe equivalent. So if I have some older version of PHP project or Laravel project that require PHP 7.2, I write P2 artisan serve. That will serve me the older version of Laravel project, right? Same goes for P maybe 83 that may point the PHP 8.3 version, and I will write P83 artisan serve, and that will serve me the latest PHP 8.3. And not to mention that in my uh, user variable in Windows, I have to select the path and add the address of my alias over here, like C colon backslash aliases folder, and hit OK and hit OK to get pointed by the command line. So this way I will get multiple version of PHP in command line space, right, in the bash file. So this is how I actually do it. Apart from this, there is another mechanism of using Docker, where we can use multiple version of PHP, Node.js, etc. from Docker file or Docker Compose file. That is also highly recommended way of doing things. But for many example and efficient setup, this multiple version of PHP by making aliases is also something can be handy. So explore everything and pick one who is work for you. And I think this video may add some values and give some perspective of installing and running multiple version of PHP. Not just PHP, you can apply this uh, idea to multiple version of Node.js or Python or any languages in general. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.